Start. The petitioner has accordingly prayed for issuance of a writ of mandamus quashing the order dated 11 January 2016, whereby the Deputy Registrar Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur, informed him that there is no provision in the university for award of grace marks in the supplementary examination. He has also prayed for a writ of mandamus commanding the respondents to award grace marks to him and declare him passed in the second professional examination so as to entitle him to appear in the final professional Part 1 examination. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the regulations framed by Medical Council of India are binding on the university. It cannot make an imaginary distinction between the main examination and the supplementary examination in denying the benefit of grace marks to a candidate. It is pointed out that in the past the university had given benefit of grace marks to one Ankit Pandey in the supplementary examination in declaring him passed, and thus the action of the university vis-a-vis the petitioner is arbitrary and discriminatory. Para. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the university submitted that the MCI regulations permit award of grace marks is only one subject and that too in the main examination and not in the supplementary examination. He further submitted that the MCI regulation does not mandate award of 5 marks but leaves it to the discretion of the university to exercise such power. It is urged that the university is not awarding grace marks in the supplementary examination. It is pointed out that in this regard a decision had also been taken by the course committee on 31/7/2015. It is further submitted that it had been the consistent policy of the university not to award grace marks in supplementary examination, nor it had been done in the past. As regards the case of a candidate cited by the petitioner in the writ petition, it is stated that the university is examining as to under what circumstances grace marks had been awarded to him in the supplementary examination. Learned counsel for the MCI supported the contention of the university. He also urged that although the regulations are binding on the university, but the actual award of grace marks has been left to the discretion of a peculiar university, and it is open to the university to frame its own policy in this regard. It is urged that it is not imperative on the university to award grace marks of 5 in each and every case, and the university is free to frame its own guidelines. The issues for consideration before this court are whether the MCI regulation restricts award of grace marks to the main examination or its benefit could also be extended to the supplementary examination, and whether the university is competent to frame its own policy in relation to award of grace marks, and whether the decision of the university not to award grace marks in supplementary examination is contrary to the MCI guidelines. Over.